The sea sounds like rain outside right now. It's like a real sense of stillness, along with gusts of wind and like the steady churning of the sea. So let's see what the cards as keys hold for us as clues and insight for clarity and confirmation through the Most High, the Source. Thanks for tuning in, finding me in the frequency. Wow, clearly you're very strong. I'm gonna read from the book for this one. They have just like short keywords. So we got the Ace of Clubs. To me, this is clearly, I see a lion, I see strength, I see some piercing eyes, I see focus, I see you want it, and so it is, Ashe, right there. That's what I see. And it has a sun energy, Ace of Cups, strength, overcoming desire. That's interesting. I would definitely word that differently. Is what the book says. What you know is between you and the Most High. Overcoming desire, it says building trust and courage. Yeah, so it's lion courage. And I would say that for me that pairs with the desire. This strength, this courage. Wow, a lot to say. We see this wants to peek out. You got what's called the Fool card. So new beginning, packing light, free-spirited, pure-hearted. Some may still be trying to decipher you and decode you, understand you. Might seem a bit alien. That much love, that much trust in the divine. Yet you got that strength right there. So one more from this deck. And remember the readings, once they match you in energy and frequency through vibes, are paired with your highest good only for true essence tuning, preparation, and confirmation. I just glimpsed the Queen of Diamonds. Here we have the Ace of Spades. Says the Ace of Spades, and in my mind I'm seeing Ace of Swords. I'll see what the book says. I see a big able sword here, and I see a lot of flourishing. Yeah, this sword is protected. It's like nature tunes and holds your sword. Your sword is key to seeing. Let me see what the book says. It's beautiful to see this sun energy, and then this water energy, and this earth energy right here. It's beautiful. See what The Ace of Spades says, focus on clarity, right? Clarity in the water. So yes, strong. Yes, you got this new beginning, packing light, trusting in the divine, in the most high, in the intuition. And we also have focus and clarity. So still inviting focus and still clarity. As much as free spirit, there is still this focus, right? Clarity. And this, to me, is creativity, creation, diligently sowing seeds, creating ideas, bringing them to fruition. Let's see what this is, the Eight of Diamonds. Come to right there. Eight of Diamonds. Comfort achieved through work and persistence. So yeah. So basically success through your works. Diligent hand and you're persistent. Keep your energy flowing at whatever you're creating. Whether it's ideas, projects, events, products, and beyond, visions. Yeah, this is great. This is new beginnings and fruitfulness from current visions and creations. We got this clarity with this water. Also this strength. So that's beautiful. That is beautiful. Any of these cards spoke to you strongest? Maybe you're into sewing, quilting, plants. Got air purification. Is an invitation to invite some plants into your space. Look right here. This is natural here. So plants help you to sharpen your gift. And because of your essence and your diligence, your creativity and your persistence, you have a dreams coming true. Dreams come true. You receive them in the now. Well, wait for them in the 3D yet. They're already in existence. So dreams do come true. And they're coming true for you. New beginnings. Dreams come true. Look at this relaxation, this joy, this beauty, these like deep breaths. This refreshing invitation. This is beautiful. Especially, for someone who is so diligent and persistent, doing something like patchwork or quilt. This is like intricate. It takes time. The design takes time. Vision. Sometimes you make boo-boos. Sometimes you injure yourself. Stick yourself with a needle. Gotta de-thread and then come again now. Run out of thread and figure out the neatest way to do it, or the best way you want to do it, which design pairs with each other. That's a lot of attention to detail. That's a lot of meticulous patience, vision, perseverance. And it's just a very the joy in the mundane, what looks like mundane, and then when you see the tapestry of it, it's so intricate and it all comes together so beautifully. So good for you, and you're strong enough to do it. You're strong enough to do it, and you find absolute joy in it, and it shows. So it's beautiful. It's like fresh each time even though you've mastered this rhythm, you're always still learning, and it's always unfolding like an adventure. It's beautiful. You get clarity in it because meticulous things like sewing, patchwork, building, all of these things, writing, all of these things, gardening, they take time and they tune you as you tend to them. So it's quite beautiful. That really is character building. Yeah, proactive and patient at the same time, because it's you actually producing in a patient, focused way. Dreams do come true. So it's literally right in front of you, yet it might feel like it's from beyond, in a different realm. Look, the breeze is blowing and it's blowing you to it. And you're one. As the waves rush in, you're blowing to it. As the waves rushing, there you are. So dreams do come true. I also want to say dreams do come too. She. You're honored, cherished, and valued. This came up in a recent reading. Ascension symptoms. Brain. A key is this air purification plant. Nourish your brain. And you got your sword right here. Your sword of truth. So you're tuning your brain and your thoughts and calibrating your energy with these plants. These plants help you to think clearer and sharpen your sword of truth. You may have a unique sense of, you have a unique sense of what's called fashion and this fairy kind of vibes. You enjoy nature. You're one with nature. And nature loves you, like different insects come out to the blue and just surprise you when you're just, breezing. You notice the nuances in nature that many miss. This free spirit enemy. Enemy? Oh, we got an enemy in the house? Oh, we got an enemy with a naughty tongue. You don't worry about that. Look, the fairies got your back. They literally got your back. They got your back. Protecting your energy. They got your back. And they tune any words used against you are transmuted for your highest good. And or be speaking only what twins with your highest good. You might have a real big bottom. Seeing a bikini here. Earth Angel. Yeah, Earth Angels wear bikinis too. Temperance. Yeah, you tune that potential beast. You tune yourself. So you really balance your energy beautifully. And it shows. You come up against plenty opposition, plenty love and adoration. And you balance them well. And you have elemental help. You have elemental help. So being in nature really helps you to tune. Mira. Look at how the ray of sun opens to her wings, which leads to the sea. And touching her back leads to the sea. Oh, beautiful. They love you. They love you. Yeah, nature. Your nature's song. Temperance. The fairies and mermaids and birds and the sun and water and grass. Oh gosh, and sun rays. Wow. Wow. What beautiful energy. It's like I can hear the timbre of your tone. You know, your tone matches your tune, your tuning. And your tuning is reflected in your ashe, your aura, your essence, and your words. Yeah, this attracts awe and various attempted energetic and otherwise attacks. Yet you are protected. It's like you are the song of the universe. 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 With music, with love. She sings to you and infuses you with this temperament. It's like an eye as well, eyeball. Yeah, she sees through you. It's like the cosmic eye. Eye and eye coming through the eye. Wow, this is a heights and a half right now, B. We got a lion, un leon, a mermaid, a fairy, an earth angel. An earth angel, a fairy, and a mermaid with a brain. That's beauty, brains, and a bod. Look, your brain is here connected to the sun. The sun charges your brain. Make sure you're sharing and taking in enough sun. Talk about sunbathing. Your brain is bathing as well in the sun. I am not a doctor in terms of allopathy. And this is not medical advice. This is an invitation to tune into your intuition, your connection to the Most High, and know what is or is not for you, or how much is or is not for you. And this reading is encoded with the frequency that it matches you in vibration only. This cannot be absorbed, co-opted, tapped into by foreign in terms of energy frequencies. So once this is for you, this is, the word magnificent is leaping to my mouth. What a thing. Wow. Beauty and brains. Next level. So, and diligence and strength and this new beginnings, this free trusting in the divine spirit. Know that things always work for your highest good. With the fairies, magical, mischievous if you test them the wrong way, and the mermaids, mystery again, excellent, mesmerizing voice from a cosmic key. Wow, dreams do come true. The sun is right there. The sun and the hearts, the sun and the hearts. It's the water and sand and water. And the cosmos, dreams do come true. This is like dreams for all seasons. Look, the waves go straight into the sand. There in a hammock for as long as you want. Walk across the sand barefoot. Doops in the water. Tuned. Earth angel. Aura. Beautiful and bright. Covering you like a pearl inside of this sacred shell. Whew. You got the key. You got the keys. So where is this for you? It comes with a key, a golden key. Sparkling and everything. Is this brass? It looks more like brass. Got the key. Cell regeneration. Well, we do have Earth Angel, fairies, and mermaids. So cell regeneration. Yeah. So breathe in this hammock. Regenerate those cells. They're already doing it. This is already being. And it shows you're extremely magnetic in what many would consider the best ways. And it beautiful, yes, it's beautiful mystery. Ooh, the sharks love to pop out. They come out to try to, but no, they can't. No sharks for you. This is protected. This is sewn into the tapestry of your destiny. And dreams do come true for you. You got elementals, the divine most high, your guides, spiritual kin, and more, I'm sure. Wow, this is a freedom to be this free with confidence, retention, and embodiment in this world. Yeah, you are epic, phenomenal. And this is something that, like, this is not something that can be taken away. This is something that's only embodied authentically. This is authentic. This is real. Beautiful. Ancient roots. Ancient origin. Oh, goodness me. And golden heart. Jeez Louise, put it in peace. You got this magnetic, mysterious goddess with a golden heart. Wow. Wow. Who is also an earth angel, paired with the fae and mermaids. This is once in a lifetime vibe, sir. And I see like I drew it. Yeah, it's revealing itself again afresh. I'm seeing also a light bulb, your brilliance, and also a keyhole, your key. Yeah, and oh yeah, tuned and a key. So look. Golden heart. So you got the key to your golden heart. That's how you protect your energy. Like, vibrationally. You got your energy. Click, clicks. And that's how you protect this. Like a window. Yeah, like a boundary. Wow. Like a song. Yeah, wow. Some maybe don't even see this. Depending on where they meet you, when they meet you, this and that, who them is, how they think, how their vibe is, how you knew them now, before, moons ago, realms away. This is also a crown we're seeing. An aura. Look at this. So some may see the golden heart, say, yeah, she was so weak, this and that, and feel like this. And then some may say, oh, she fishy is. So this and whatever, oh, she, so, you know. And then others see this. not knowing that one, and that the root of it is the fruit of it, your golden heart. That's what tempers, and this is what magnetizes. Because as a goddess, you're not here to be minimize or diminish your own light even. This is like a beautiful eyelash. Yeah. Wow. Whew. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow. Mira. You're so natural with nature. Like two mountains. Like two majestic boobs. You know, the hair, the sun, water. Wow, temperance. And again, look at the arms, holding hands naturally. Fairies naturally holding. And naturally, natural connection. Nature, the fae, and the mermaid. Maybe you like to be by the water sometimes, to reflect by the water, and they visit you. Maybe you like herbal teas. Maybe you pick flowers and different fresh herbs by the water. Eso is lucid dreams. This is beautiful. This is like yes, Empress. I picked up the cards and this one remained. Yeah, you are once in a lifetime Empress and elixir. Wow. Lion strength and a golden heart. You got the key. You tuned up and are being tuned up. And you're ready to receive. 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 Beautiful energy. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for the beautiful comments. So sweet. Thanks, y'all. Love, and this is, yeah, like I said, so beautiful. This is like a caress from the cosmos. This energy. And something about cash. Literally part of the deck. And so, me cashing in. Cashing in. Words coming in about some surprise cash for you. And remember that air purification plant once this matches you. Juniper might be a key. It's a very, yeah, all trees are spiritual. Juniper is a key. And you're from a rare lineage or have a connection with big water. You might want to check that you got some cats stirring up outside. One's been coming by, I can hear them doing something. So whatever is going on outside of your energy, external, focus on what's coming through for you. No disturbances. You might want to look at the dream house readings recently, because this was coming right here. You got the door. This is, what do you call it? The plan for a home. So look at the, if you're inspired, once you're inspired, they have dream house and new land posts on the same channel. Enough said. It's beautiful. Your energy is absolutely beautiful. And this, your works, your creations, your ashe and your energy, they're fruitful. And they're also bringing out a lot of fruit in you, a lot of skills. Because of your beautiful energy. Your beautiful energy and your golden heart. And you're an empress. Deep breath.